My name is Elsa. I'm an interdisciplinary maker. I have my background in music. I play saxophone. And I also studied sonography, so I'm also a theater maker. And lately also interested in analog photography. But everything starts from making sound and listening. I really like to not play in a concert hall where people are ready to listen. Since I'm also an interdisciplinary maker, that the audience is triggered in different senses. So they are very aware of their eyes when they walk in a museum, very aware of their spatial encounter to the space of a museum. And since that space is already open, it's for me easier to actually sculpt with sound, because the tone is already there. The saxophone that can only play one note at a time. But I really like it when sounds come together, and I can't make that, so I was really frustrated. How can I play harmonies with myself? So I decided to work with a specific technique, so I'm able to play alone with myself and listen to the resonations. That's how I got a bit together with this theme, like the multifocal point.